Hello, my name is Scott. Today we are showing you guys this bird feeder. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and show you guys everything that comes in the package. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, for starters, this is definitely the nicest bird feeder setup that I have reviewed. I love the white and camo. That is amazing. Like, to someone like me, this really appeals to me. So there's quite a few little moving parts here. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull out all the accessories first. So you got your manual, you got your bracket, you have your solar panel right here, charging cable if you need to charge up your camera before you use it, mounting screws, screwdriver, strap, antenna for better connection, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. You also get two panels on the top here, which is excellent. But I love, so we got to block that out, but I love this camo. This is so nice. This is definitely my favorite one. Now, placing this on is super easy. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and line this up. So if you can see the holes right on the side here, so you got a hole there and a hole there. You just line these brackets in like this. You might pull out just a little bit, just like that. Now on the back here, you guys can see, you just pull that up and it tilts down. This is where you put the bird seed. You just fill the bird seed down inside here. But yeah, so here's the camera. Make sure you peel off all of the protective layers. Might be a little tough if you don't got nails like me. Here we go. Come on guys, we got this. All right, so there's two little pieces here. So there's the camera. Nice camera. If you go ahead and you pull this down, you're gonna see this piece right here. Go ahead and pull this up. So if you tilt the camera down as much as you can, pop that up. Inside here, it's going to be a little tough to see, but inside here you got your reset, you have your TF card slot, so you put your memory card down in here. And once you get used to it, you're not going to have an issue. Your on and off button is also there, so you can actually turn this up pretty good, like this. This, you want to connect back into there once you are done. So we're going to go ahead and put a TF card inside here a while. Okay, we're going to turn it on. And let's see, I believe we press and hold to turn it on. Yes, and now it lit up blue. We're going to go put this TF card in here. Okay. Okay, we're going to tilt this back. And we're going to align this. All right, we got it set up. Now we just wait for some birds.